How to delete your account on MetaTrader 4? Are you guys facing issues to delete your account on MetaTrader 4 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 app. Once you open the app, click on setting icon. Now click on your profile. Once you click on profile, to delete your account, just drag it to the left side. Once you drag it to the left side, your account will be deleted. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna delete account on MetaTrader 4. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.